It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work and get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Silverado 2500 heavy duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Experience it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.